Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Gameplay Classic. Today I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Team Fortress 2 game on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Steam application on your device and make sure that you are logged in using your email address and your password. Once you are taken into the store page, just click on the search box and then type in Team Fortress 2 to begin your search. Once you find the game, you can click on it and this will take you into the game page where you can check out the trailer as well as the reviews. Scroll down and then click on the Add to Cart button alongside the version or edition that you would like to buy. This will then add the game to your cart. You can click on the View My Cart button and then click on Continue to Payment to finalize your purchase. Now just choose the payment method that you would like to use from the drop-down menu. Then click on Continue, and now you will need to provide the credentials of the payment method that you have selected. Once you provide your credentials and your payment has been finalized, the game will then be added to your library. And from your library, you can complete the installation with the game with just a few clicks. Once the game is installed, you can then open it up and start enjoying it on your device right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Team Fortress 2 game on your PC. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.